Yeah.
Which side has been building more lightning?
Yeah, now it's like I have to bet on which side it's gonna have it.
I mean, yeah, I feel like just stick with the side.
Place your bets.
Yeah.
Black or red? Okay, let's do black.
Oh, I was right.
Oh, it was red.
No, you can't switch. You gotta like go
Okay,
all in.
okay, yeah, we'll go all in. We'll go all
You
in.
look there, and that's gonna happen here. Watch them just all be on that side.
Yeah, that's true. We just need to like happen over there one more time.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Like that one.
That one big
no
one.
reverse.
Yes.
God damn it.
Damn it! Damn it! Okay, now I'm tempted to go over. No,
You know
I'm
what?
staying here.
You should do whatever you think is better. I'm terrible at gambling.
I'm staying. Okay, now it's actually like.
Yeah, I'm
okay.
actually looking.
Come on, I can get one. I know I
got
can.
this, you
I've
got
been
this.
recording way too late now.
Oh,
Okay, I got like the tail end of that one.
yeah.
It was kind of close. Man, where's Steve? Shit.
Wet.
Yeah, Steve is.
Of course.
Rip Steve. Yeah, I was messaging him and he's like, "Dude, I'm still at the office." I'm like,
Hey, you said the office.
"Oh shit." Okay, Zeus, little to this direction, please.
There's people here too.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think the people here are, deserve more of a smiting, please.
Yeah. It's like clearly you're not having any luck over there. So
Yeah,
you might as well mix it up a little.
Come smite some people here, please. Oh yeah.
Just see people zooming, but none of them are scared.
Damn, is that guy actually running?
I think it's actually
crazy.
I mean, to be fair, this is a pretty good time to jump. The only downside is if I get hit by lightning, but like, goddamn, you should.
Damn it,
start
Zeus.
that side.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start this side now. Now it's gonna go over there. I
Yep.
swear. Come on. Ah.
Yep.
All right. Watch. Watch. It's gonna.
Oh
I
no,
don't have any of my reindeer.
Oh.
California, it'll stop
Yeah,
in like 10
instead of the
minutes.
brochure, no reindeer.
God, stop soon.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like it doesn't
Hopefully.
rain here. Oh, did you get it?
Nah, it was kind of. Okay.
You don't get a lot of thunderstorms out here in California.
Yeah, you
It's
really
been a
don't.
while, like
Yeah.
years.
I grew up in Chicago and it gets some.
Oh,
Oh.
Yeah, it gets some big ones coming out.
yeah.
Back in Chicago.
Yeah. Definitely not as much here. Here it's just hot.
Why is there lightning but not the?
There's no thunder. It's really weird.
Yeah,
I don't know.
It's lightning.
Yeah, it's really not that much. Yeah. There was a
It's like little bit of
few.
rumbling,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there's no like thunder claps.
Yeah.
Beep.
It just looked glitchy on my phone.
Yeah, I
like,
saw
the quality
that.
is
It's like your
so bad.
screen
It looks
turned
like
white.
it. Yeah, it
It's
looks just looks like it
dark, so
glitched.
It's not gonna do that well.
I wonder if like the next gen phones how it'll look because S8's kind of this is an S8, kind of aging a little bit.
I guess the trees would be happy though.
Not if it hits them.
That's true.
That would be bad.
At least they'll put it out.
All right, nice knowing you guys.
All right, good luck.
Drive safe.
Oh. Oh, it's on that side now. Oh, I missed that one. Damn. Damn, someone out there is getting some good footage somewhere.
Yep.
They're prepared for this.
Someone just like chilling behind guys, most likely. That's usually how it goes.
Damn, yeah, that would be an interesting spot for sure. You can
Oh
see
yeah, they have
everything.
like a lot of like pretty good lightning photos of guys for some reason.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I've
That's
seen
what I
one.
meant, because like, yeah, they like always get the great shots of guys somehow. Yeah, it actually stopped raining. The dude might not die.
You know, he looks like he's in good shape. He just needs to live close by.
He needs to go the other direction of thunderstorm. Whichever direction this thing just went, he needs to go the other way.
Yes.
He's got to take the long way home.
Oh, I can hear it coming. Let's go. Come on. That's not how it works, but I can sense it.
Yes.
Oh,
You just hear like you feel the hair rising on your skin.
yes.
It's like, oh yes, static.
Oh! I actually did. What? That was crazy.
It worked. I hope that shows up.